Okay. So we have the sum in front of us. Root 2x square plus 7x is plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now first you have to see if this is in the form of a quadratic equation. Yes, it is in the form. What are the three conditions for a quadratic equations to be in the general form? Can anybody tell me? Pallavi, please unmute and tell me what are the three conditions what I taught yesterday.
When a is unequal to 0,
A is
unequal to 0.
A is not equal to 0. Okay, then
0.
the highest index has to be
Variable should have the highest degree 2,
2. Okay, and
A, B and C should be real number.
should be real numbers. Okay, so did you all understand? Mute yourself, Padmaja. So now this is in the form of a quadratic equation. So now if you see here there is A and here there is C. To find the product, we have to multiply A and C. So what is root 2 multiplied by 5 root 2? Root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2 and this 5 remains. So 2 5s is equal to 10. Okay. I hope you all understood this. Root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2 and 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Now this 5 came from here, that is remaining. So 2 5s are 10. Now product is 10 and sum is 7. Okay, so we have to think of two numbers which we multiply, we'll get 10, or which we add or subtract, we'll get 7. Can anyone tell me those two numbers? Can chat, put it in the chat box and tell me those two numbers. What are those two numbers? Multiply, we'll get 10. Superb, Swarm. 5 and 2. Very good, Abhishai also. But Abhishai wrote 52. Okay, there is a gap. So therefore, now we split the middle term. Root 2x square plus. Now 7x is nothing but we write it as 5x plus 2x because 5 and 2 were the two terms which we got. When we multiply, we'll get 10. When we add or subtract, 7. So plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now the main part is taking common in these two. Root 2x square plus 5x. Now what is common in these two? First thing that is common is x. Till here, did everyone understand? Please give me a thumbs up if you understood everything till here. I'm waiting for Robert. Okay. So there is x common in the first and second one. Because root 2, there is no number which goes in 2 and 5 both. So therefore we get x. What is uncommon? Root 2x plus 5. Now we will verify. There is no place for therefore, otherwise I would have put. Okay, so x into root 2x is root 2x square and x into 5 is 5x. Now if we see that this term is correct of us, so directly we can write the same thing, root 2x plus 5. And what is remaining? We can write it what before the bracket. So can anybody tell me no? Sanjana, please tell me what will come here before the bracket.
Glenn.
Sanjana, I said, Sanjana.
Yes, Glenn.
Yeah, Sanjana, tell.
Glenn, your X only will come.
Sanjana is saying here x will come. Okay, mute yourself. Suppose x would come here. What we would get? X into root 2x is root 2x square, but here we have only 2x. So we have to have some term here which will multiply with this term and we'll get only 2x. Can anybody tell me? Anybody tell me? Can mute yourself, whoever knows.
Glenn 2.
Shefali. Yes, Shefali, unmute yourself. Tell me. Yes, Shefali, tell me.
Glenn root 2.
Shefali is saying root 2. Let us check if root 2 is the answer.
Glenn 2 should come.
2 or root 2? 2. So Shefali is saying 2 is the answer. So suppose we put 2 here. 2 multiplied by root 2x is equal to 2 root 2x. But here we have 2x. Anybody else? Shefali, you tried, but it is wrong. Anybody else?
Sir, root
Tell
2 will
me.
come. Glenn, root 2.
Who is this? Anil? Anil. Who is this? Anil?
Yes, sir. Root 2 will come.
Okay. Root 2 will come. Okay. So let us check if root 2 comes. Root 2 multiplied by root 2x. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. And what remains is x. So we get 2x and we have 2x on top. So our answer is correct. No problem if you all got wrong, but it is very important to keep trying. So root 2 is the term. Now root 2 multiplied by 5 is 5 root 2. That also we have on top. Now in these two, let us take what is common. What is repeated? Root 2x plus 5. And what is uncommon? X plus root 2 equal to 0. Therefore, root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus root 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 will come here, and root 2, what will happen? Will get added, subtracted, divided, or multiplied. What will happen? Please type and tell me what will happen. Minus 5 comes here. What else will come on the right of x? X is equal to what will come here? Divided by, okay, Dheeraj is saying divided. Divided by what? Divided by what? Divided by, Abhishek is saying multiplied. Okay, let's check what we'll get. Let's do it step by step since you are getting confused. Root 2x, I put plus 5 on the right hand side, I'll get minus 5. Or, again plus looks like P here. Plus. Or x is equal to root 2 comes on the right, we'll get minus root 2. So therefore, x is equal to minus 5 divided by root 2, or x is equal to minus root 2. I hope you all are getting it. I hope everyone have got the answer. Did you all understand till here? Any doubt is there? Again, I'm saying this plus 5 comes on the right, becomes minus 5. And then root 2 is multiplied here. It comes on the right, and when multiplication is there on the left, it gets divided on the right. If division is there on the left, it gets multiplied on the right. If addition is there on the left, it gets subtracted on the right. And if subtraction is there on the left, it gets added on the right. Yes, Anil, what is your doubt?
Sir, that x plus root 2, that step not understood.
X plus root 2 is equal to 0. Root 2 came on the right, it became minus root 2.
Sir, no, the x plus 2, how we got?
X plus what? Root 2.
Yes, sir.
Here, x plus root 2.
Okay.
Okay, common is what? Root 2 plus 5. Uncommon is x plus root 2 that I wrote on the right. So root 2 is x plus 5 and x plus root 2 equal to 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone has any other doubts? Please raise your hand. Again, Anil. Yes, Anil, tell me.
Sir.
Cleared. Okay, by mistake. Anyone else has any doubt? Please raise your hand. Okay, so that means you all understood.